Hi, this is Paul with Alpha Rain. I just wanted to come to those in Cross Junction, Virginia. We are the metal roofing company, and we've been installing metal roofs for the last 15 years. That's all we do. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about metal roofing and some of the exclusive products that we provide our customers. One that we designed that we're really excited about is the ThermaVent system, which ventilates underneath your roof. And I want to show you a panel. This is the ThermaVent. Okay, it is made of styrofoam. It's got grooves in it, and what we'll actually do is we'll install a radiant barrier first on your roof deck, and then this will install grooves down. And so when we're talking about ventilation, we want to have proper ventilation, but this goes between the roof, between your deck, and it ventilates. And we're actually able to keep the air in your attic a lot cooler because of this. We're basically stopping all three ways that heat is transferred. So if you look at this panel, it is just under an inch thick, and it's made of styrofoam. So the heat, a lot of the heat is stopped from the transfer by the thickness of this panel. It doesn't seem that thick, but if you think direct transfer of heat, like when you go, if you get a coffee cup that's cardboard, and you get a hot cup of coffee and you put your hands around it, the cardboard doesn't really do a great job. It does stop some of it. And so places, coffee companies like Starbucks will even put a sleeve on it. And if you notice, that sleeve basically has little air gaps in it, but the way it's designed, it looks as cardboard. And that is the air ventilation, right? Now, if you get a styrofoam coffee cup, you don't need that. And the styrofoam is, you're talking, it's like a 1/16 of an inch. So this panel is almost about 14 or 15 times thicker, okay? And you're stopping 170 degree, sometimes 200 degree coffee. And, you know, it's warm on your hand, maybe about 100 degrees, okay? So you can kind of see how styrofoam stops that heat transfer, right? So if you have a roof that has a surface of 150 degrees, and you can already tell with your coffee cup, if it's styrofoam, 170 degrees, it's only 100 when you're touching it. We've actually done tests just to see. This is a lot thicker. It stops a lot more of that heat. So with that being said, we're actually allowing the air ventilation, just like you have on your coffee cup with the cardboard sleeves, because there's little air gaps. Next time you get one, look at it and see. You'll know it's the air. It's not the cardboard. It's really the air gaps that keep your hand from burning on the cardboard coffee cup. So when we're talking about ventilation, it's important to have this ventilation. Now, if a coffee company really wanted to get it where it'd be the same temperature, they should put a radiant barrier around their coffee mugs. Look kind of weird to look like you're from some type of sci-fi movie or something. But anyways, we put this radiant barrier down on your roof first, and if you see the installation, it does kind of look a little tinfoilish, which it is actually have reflective. It reflects 97% of the radiant heat. So with the radiant barrier, with the natural, so any of the heat that does get through, it's vented out through the top, and the thickness of the panel stops a lot of that. So we're really excited about the whole process. We're able to take attics that have 150 degrees attic air temperature when it's only 90 degrees outside. So it's 60 degrees hotter in your attic than it is outside. And you're trying to cool your house down to 75, some maybe 70, depending on who you are. So if you are trying to cool it to 75, you have a huge issue, because your attic air temperature is 150 degrees. That's 75 degrees you're trying to cool from your attic, fighting against your inside of your house. Now, granted, you have some insulation in there, but it's not going to be able to fight off 75 degrees of heat, hotter than the 75 degrees you want in your house. So all this to be said, when we're able to get attic air temperatures down to about 100, when it's 90 outside and you're trying to cool to 75 degrees, 25 degrees that your AC has to work. It works your AC system a lot less, and it'll make it last a lot longer. So these are just some things we offer. If you're like, all right, hurry up, just get to the point. Well, the point is, it is something we offer. We're the only ones that offer it. And if you just need a metal roof and not this, we'll be glad to talk to you as well. So check us out online, alpharain.com, and you can give us a call directly at 540 222-1642. Thanks for watching.